Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find a job in LinkedIn. So in order to do so, firstly launch LinkedIn application. Here we go. Now make sure that you are logged on to your LinkedIn account. Now all you have to do is tap on the option of jobs at the bottom right corner. Now once you come here, you'll see various jobs for you, including top job picks for you by LinkedIn. If you scroll down below, you can see other various options and jobs where you are a top applicant. Now, in order to apply for a job, what you have to do is simply tap on the job that meets your profile and that you want to apply to. So, for instance, as I tapped on this job, if you scroll down below, you'll see various details regarding the job, including the hiring team. And then, if you scroll down much below, you'll see about the job and the requirements that you would need to possess in order to apply for this job. Now, all you have to do is tap on the option of Easy Apply. Then you have to fill in your details accordingly. So let me enter my mobile number as it is not entered in my LinkedIn account. Here we go. Now tap on Next. After this, you would need to upload your resume. So tap on Upload Resume. Now, select your resume or CV from here. Now, tap on the option of Next after your resume has been uploaded. Now, over here, these are the additional questions by the company. Now, over here, you have to choose the options and enter the details that match with your past experiences. So, after entering in all these details, tap on the option of Next. Now, select any of these options according to your preferences. The questions depends on the type of job you are applying for. Now, after this, if you tap on the option of Review, you will come to this page where you can see a preview of your application. So, if you tap on the option of Submit, you will successfully be able to apply for a job in LinkedIn. So, this is it for today, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.